Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Last week we went skiing, so I took that opportunity to upgrade my 10-year-old ski boots. They're pretty beat up. The liner is definitely packed out. I ended up demoing a bunch and trying them all on. Probably should have made that its own video, but it's a little too late. If you can, talk with a good boot fitter. Try to rent them for the day to ski on them a little bit. I ended up falling in love with these, but they come with this GripWalk technology. I think that is the new standard for ski boots, but they do not fit my skis because all of my bindings fit into this flat din Alpine sole. Let's do some research and see what we can do. Okay, looks like a pretty easy switch to this ISO 5355 sole. I'm also gonna pick up a couple Pozidriv screwdrivers. I've been getting away with Phillips on all my ski stuff. Might as well take this opportunity to use the correct tool. Let's wait for them to get here. I'm so excited to make the upgrade to these Pozidrivs. I guess that's how you know we're becoming responsible adults. I'm gonna make a quick YouTube short talking about the differences, but for these soles, I think it's a very easy unfasten and screw them in. Let's see if they fit. That was pretty quick and easy. An interesting note, my old ski boots have a hex pattern. The one I just used is a PZ2 by Wera. The fasteners that came off the boots are the same as the ones I ordered. Everything fits cleanly. Next video, I'm gonna try to figure out how to fit these smaller boots into my skis, because the old boots are 320 millimeters and the new ones are 306. But for now, video 239 done.